Remove the curlers and begin arranging with your fingers how you want the beard to look. We haven't applied any hairspray or water yet. We're seeing how things look before committing to or taking away any of the curls. When you know what you'd like, you can use hairspray to begin the holding process on the whiskers, or use a few sprays of water to help relax what you have. Think a bit of the Polar Express Santa Claus with curls only down at the bottom and smooth until then. That's the style we're going for.